Yo, what's up mga runners? So today is a 5K running day. So kahapon di tayo nakapag-run kasi medyo busy. Pero dapat kahapon meron tayong 35 minutes easy run. Pero ngayon natin gawin with the 5K run. So we just need to run 5K with a target of 6 minutes. Para at least 30 minutes tapos tayo. So medyo tinanghali na ako kasi nag-update pa yung Huawei watch ko. Start your day with a smile, guys. Start running. Let's go. 1K 5:29, 2K 5:37, 3K 6:43, 4K 6:04, 5K 5:42. So that's our 5K run here again at Country Road. Down tayo for the last 3 kilometers. Medyo napagod na ako. Hindi kinaya yung first 2 kilometer na pacing. So that's it. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. Let's go, guys. Run safe always.